Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 along with the screen recording. So let's start with a screen recording because it's actually one option, and we can do it by scrolling down our toolbar like that, then locating this button, screen recorder, right here. We're going to press on that and we can see this pop up right here. And to actually start recording, we'll need to press the red button. And it will start recording our screen and every move we make, just like that. To actually stop recording, we'll need to press it again. Now it's stopped and we have the actual video saved in our files. So now, to take the screenshot, the basic way is to actually press the volume down button, which is located right here, and the lock button on your screen, which is located right here. And they need to be pressed at the same time. So let's try that. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. So the next option is actually scroll down our toolbar, then scroll down right here and find screenshot. It's this button right here. We're gonna press that and our phone takes the screenshot as well. Now the third option is to do it by dragging your three fingers on your screen, and then you make the screenshot. But to actually do this, you'll need to make sure it's enabled. So we're gonna go to the settings, find additional settings, gesture shortcuts, take a screenshot, and enable side three fingers down. And now I'm gonna do the screenshot like this way. Sorry. And as you can see, it works fine as well. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.